What's going on, everybody? This is Lewis of the Way Your Kicks channel, and we are finally going to be unboxing the Jordan 4 Military Blues. Let's talk about them. What's going on, everybody? Thanks for tapping into another video here on the Way Your Kicks channel. And this is the first time stopping through. Please think about hitting that subscriber button and click that notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop one of these videos. And for everybody tapping in, make sure you smash that like button for me. Greatly appreciate it. But we're going to go ahead and get into the unboxing of these right here. And man, beautiful looking shoe. I can't complain. No QC issues for me to speak of on my pair here. And I also hit on exclusive access. Let me know down in the comments if you got exclusive access, and did you actually take your pair? Did you already hit on the shock drop and maybe you're just going for one? Obviously, I got a double up coming just like I did in the Bred 4 Reimagines. I usually don't do double ups, but for whatever reason, something's been telling me to double up on these. But let's go ahead and throw them on the table, check them out. All right, so here we go. You got your OG style Jordan 4 box. And on here, the label does read Air Jordan 4 Off-White Military Blue. This is a size 12. And now you have your cement print style paper. Let me go ahead and pop these out and take the sneakers out. Now, to some of you, yes, I believe you are calling these your sneaker of the year. For me, no, these are not going to be sneaker of the year. I'm holding out for the black cement 3s, the remasters that are coming out later on this year. But man, these are by far a super dope looking sneaker. And real quick, and obviously we have this off-white style leather uppers all the way around, kind of a grayish tint to them. Even here on the wing straps, we have that gray coloring there, and you can see here around the mudguard area we have that gray material. Behind the white netting you can see the blue. Taking a look here around the midsole, obviously you got that military blue or industrial blue as the sneakers app wants to call it. You got some white here as well. Got that beautiful looking air unit there that you can see through. On the back of the heel, obviously, you got Nike Air there written in white. And then this is pretty flimsy, obviously, a lot softer than we were getting prior to the SB Pine Green 4s as far as the back tab is concerned. And looking here behind the tongue, you got the blue as well with Air Jordan written upside down. And then down there on the insole foot pad, you do have Nike Air there written in white. Taking a look here at the outsole, you got some gray here in the toe cap and heel area. You got some blue, you got Nike Air there in white, and then the rest of that outsole is white as well. But as great as these are, how do they compare to the other two sneakers that obviously these are being put up against? All right, so here we got the Bred 4 Reimagines up against the Military Blue 4s, and what are you guys taking off the bat? Now, I will say that the leather quality on the Bred 4 Reimagines is tumbled and soft and would probably be a lot easier wear than these Military Blues are going to be, because this leather is a lot stiffer and will take some time to go ahead and break in. But overall, because of the way the leather is on the Reimagines versus the Militaries, I would say that after some wears, the Bred 4s will still look better than the Military Blue 4s. Military Blue 4s could end up looking kind of rough with how they end up creasing. Now, you can obviously use different things to mitigate the creasing in there, but as you go ahead and wear the shoe, obviously creasing is going to come up. Not that it's a bad thing. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but it's just something to think about. Now, here we have the shoe that both of them are supposed to be getting compared to, and that is the Pine Green SBs. Now, the reason for that is because the shaping of the Pine Green SBs is what the shaping is supposed to be here for the Bred 4s and the Military Blue 4s. Now, what do you guys think as far as shape is concerned? Do you think that they did a pretty good job? A lot of people were kind of saying it's very close but no cigar. The comfortability of the SB Pine Greens is superior to both of these sneakers here, and I agree. I would agree with that. I mean, these are purpose built obviously for skateboarding, besides the fact that they are a Jordan 4. But these two here, while they do emulate the shape. I can tell you from having them on feet that the Pine Green SB4s are a little more comfortable than the Bred 4 Reimagines. But now I'm going to go ahead and throw the military blue 4s there on feet, and then we'll close out the video and I'll let you know how I rank these three. But let me know down in the comment section how you would rank them. All right, so let me know what you guys think overall on the Jordan 4 Military Blues. Is this a must cop for you? Let me know down in the comment section. And how do you think they compare to the Bred 4s or the SB Pine Greens? You know, how would you rank them? Me personally, I rank them Bred 4s, SBs, then Military Blues. But that's just me. You guys differ from me, let me know there down in the comment section. In any case, this is Lewis of the Wear Your Kicks channel, reminding you to be true, stay in the moment, and don't forget, every day is a great day to wear your kicks.